Alright, here's part 2, just so you know. Originally the plan was to make the sauce take half out and cook it with the pasta, but I forgot what I was doing because this is a new situation. Nevertheless, we have another half of the sauce. It's right here. And we can come in with our rubber spatula. Make sure that we get every little piece. Except, I don't know if a liquid could be a piece, but you know what I mean. Okay, very nice. This gets a cover, and it gets a label. This is the #1 way to save money, people. Vodka. March 4th. Wonderful. There she is. Okay, put that right there on top of the other thing. Let's do a little cleaning, shall we? I think this is the first YouTube video of cleaning dishes ever. I highly recommend one of these brushes. I think they're great. They get the majority of stuff off and your hands stay relatively dry. So I just like to get the bulk off, yeah? I don't even use any soap on that. As you can see, I have a very tiny dishwasher. Here's what I like to do up top. I go boom. This guy spread out right there. Here's the cheese mill, which I put here, and the little handle. And this Cambro, you could clean it by hand, but since I don't have any more dishes, I'm just gonna put it right there. Wonderful. Now, grapeseed. Oh, yep, palmy right here. Oh, I'm not practicing what I preach. I've got too many things in the cabinet. Can you put this back there, please? Thank you. Right. Just a drop of soap and a knife. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Very nice. This gets a little cleansing. Oh, look, more things have appeared. Give it a little. You can actually see the metal that was taken off on that. I love that. Very cool. That goes back. That goes back. This can go here. This can go up here. Okay, that leaves us with our garlic. Now that should be composted, but I am leaving the city tomorrow, and I will be gone for 2 weeks. Composting is on Saturday. It's very important to compost because when food goes into a landfill, it creates methane gas, and methane gas is 16 times more potent per pound than CO2. So if you're a green energy person, you should really be composting your food waste. And I know I didn't do it, but I normally do. It's just that it's not working out, and the system does not want to make it easy for me currently. Hopefully in the future, my 5 little garlic cloves will be able to be composted, regardless of if I am in the city or not, to be the custodian of said composting. Okay, so here's a little bit of soap. Go in circles like this. Come around. Boom, 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 boom. I like to come around the side and the back and underneath. Very nice. Got hot water here. And here's the number one thing. A lot of my friends' pans, I'll start cooking and I smell soap right away. Because they do this and they pour it out and there's still soap here. So if you've got one of these, this is the move. To ensure all the soap comes out, use gravity and pressure. Okay? That's the move. Rags are also very important. If you don't have any, I highly recommend that you buy some. It's so much better than paper towel. I don't know if you've noticed, but we've used almost no paper. The only piece of paper that we've used is underneath this cutting board to prevent it from sliding. And could it be one of these? Absolutely, it could. All right back where we found it. I'm trying to see if that thing scratches. That's why I'm putting it there. They say it doesn't on the commercial. I'm about 9 months deep, and so far, they are correct. It doesn't scratch. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Same deal here, okay? I enjoy cleaning. Some people say, "Oh, I don't like to cook because I don't have to clean." That just sounds like a lazy person to me. Gorgeous. There's the one paper towel that I used. You can keep it here to clean the counter. This doesn't really need a serious clean. I mean, I cut a piece of Parmigiano on it and sliced some garlic. Other than that, no vegetables, no chicken, no fish. Wonderful. goes in here. This can get a little clean, very tiny. Boop. The truth is, this only ever helped the water boil faster, so I was an idiot for putting it in the sink and allowing it to get contaminated by all the other stuff. But, you know, they haven't figured out a way to put pot lids on the side yet in a convenient manner. They take up countertop space, they leave a ring of steam on the table. I'm gonna make it my life's work to figure out how to solve this problem. Okay. This was our spoon holder, and that can go right there, and that can go right there. And this looks like some wine that I don't... Oh, where did this come from? I don't remember having any wine. Maybe I'm just being forgetful. Looks like I got a little splash right there. Ow! I totally just cut my finger cleaning the countertop. That's insane. That's fucking nuts. Look, I'm bleeding from the freaking stove. What a bad design. Alright, here's what's gonna happen. A little water. Just bring it all over. Very nice. Okay. Dry. And that's it. We are right back to where we started. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. I'm bleeding. And not from a knife. From the stovetop, which is ridiculous. Please let me know what you'd like to do. I think this is an interesting way of doing YouTube videos. I don't know anything else that's like this. You know, we've got the super high speed, sped up videos that you watch and you go, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and you never do. And then you have the videos that are presented and you learn something and eventually you do it, but you run into problems because it has to be edited, because it has to be to time for some reason. And when things are edited and to time, what happens? We leave steps out. So this is great because I can talk the entire time and you can go step by step with me, and I can make relevant points at relevant moments during the recipe. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Frankie Cooks. And if you've made it this far, God bless you. Take it easy.